Rain is grace. Rain is the sky descending to the earth. Without rain, there would be no life. Without rain, there is no life. God is good for everybody. The sun shines on good people and bad people, and it rains on both too. God doesn't choose rain only for bad people. Sunshine is delicious. Rain is refreshing. Wind braces us up. Snow is exhilarating. There is really no such thing as bad weather. Only different kinds of good weather. If the rain spoils our picnic, but saves a farmer's crop, who are we to say it shouldn't rain? Life is full of beauty. Notice it. Notice the bumblebee, the small child, and the smiling faces. Smell the rain, and feel the wind. Live your life to the fullest potential, and fight for your dreams. And when it rains on your parade, look up rather than down. Without the rain, there would be no rainbow. Don't confuse your path with your destination. Just because it's stormy now doesn't mean that you aren't headed for sunshine. Like the sky opens after a rainy day, we must open to ourselves. Learn to love yourself for who you are and open so the world can see you shine. The person who dances with you in the rain will most likely walk with you in the storms. Do you realize it? Rainwater can actually make you sleepy. The goal is clear, so that you forget for a moment the problems of the world and fall asleep.